Hi there, and good evening. This is Scott at Scott Trades on Twitter with StockMarketMentor.com and your chart of the day. As the market rally continues, I've been scouring my scans for stocks that aren't extended above some of their key moving averages. And I found Shockwave, ticker SWAV. Now, Shockwave, I think, just needs a little jolt, just needs a little electricity into this stock to get going because this pattern is pretty juicy. You can see this long cup, and now it's building a handle. And this handle has been going sideways here for almost 2 months. If I zoom into the local price action, we can see a little bit of a pinching pattern here where it goes tight like that, a series of lower highs, but also is giving you a little series of higher lows. And so I want to see if Shockwave can burst above that level with a nice pickup in volume. And so I think the level to watch here in Shockwave is around that 296 zone. And so I recommend sending an alert on your charting platform right around 296 and then looking for this to move higher. We had a nice little pickup in volume here. Today could have been a good day to start a position, and then you're adding with that confirmation higher. But I like the fact that this has a beautiful cup and handle, and it's not extended like a lot of charts are in this frothy market. So I hope this video is helpful. If it is, definitely give me a follow on Twitter and check out what we're doing over at StockMarketMentor.com. Click the link, take a trial, and hopefully I'll see you on the other side.